What is up, YouTube? Before I get started with this video, I just want to show you guys this little piece right here. It is a Yu-Gi-Oh piece done by Dominican Flow Unisex. And as you guys can see, this guy killed it. This guy made him look exactly like the way he did in the cartoons. So you guys definitely have to go check him out. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. My name is Jorge Zepeda and we're doing another transformation haircut. For those of you guys that are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, if you guys end up liking this video, hit that thumbs up. But for this haircut, we're going to go ahead and chop the hair all the way down to a number 4. And we're going to go ahead and do a nice drop fade to complete the haircut. So getting started with the haircut, I am using my cordless seniors with the number 4 guard all the way closed. And to make my life a whole lot easier, I will be going and doing full strokes. And what I mean by that is I'm not going to go little by little trying to knock down the hair on top. Just because if I do that, it will take a lot longer than me actually doing full strokes. Now that we have the top cut down nice and even, here I have my cordless detailers and I'm going to go ahead and begin to set in my first guideline. And since this is a drop fade, you want to make sure that you're dropping it once you get towards the back. And now using my Wall 5-star shaver, I'm gonna go ahead and begin to bald them out. And when I'm doing this, I'm making sure that I'm getting every single hair, having it as neat as possible. Because the last thing you want to do is have to come back and redo a step that you should have done earlier. Here to go ahead and get started with the fade, I have my cordless seniors with the no guard all the way open, and I'm going to go ahead and go up about an inch. Now I know at this point I usually do start to blend out the bottom line, but in this case I have my number 1 guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm going to go ahead and create another guideline by going up about another inch. Now using my number 2 guard with the lever all the way closed, we're going to go ahead and finish removing the bulk from the sides by going up another inch. Alright, now that I got most of the bulk taken care of, now I'm going to start to blend out that bottom line. So here I have the no guard with the lever all the way closed, and I'm going to start to work out that bottom line by going up about 1/4 of an inch. Now here I went ahead and opened my lever halfway, and I began to finish off blending out that bottom line. Now to get rid of this bottom line, I will be using my half guard, and I'm basically going to be playing with the lever, starting with it all the way open, working my way down to halfway, and then eventually going to all the way closed to go ahead and get rid of that bottom line. Now here I'm going back to my number 1 guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new guideline by going up about 1/2 inch. Now using the lever all the way closed, we're going to go ahead and finish off blending out that bottom line. Now here I have my number 1.5 guard with the lever all the way closed, and we're going to completely blend out that transition from the 1 guard open to the number 2 guard that we used to remove the bulk. So here I ended up switching to my number 3 guard, and we're going to go ahead and finish the transition from the fade to the top. Now before I start anyone's lineup, I always like to take a step back and kind of observe their lineup. In this case, my client's left side is a little bit higher than the right side, so once I start to work on the right side, I know I have to lift it up just a tad bit, just to kind of go ahead and get both sides even. Now here I'm gonna go ahead and begin to straight razor his lineup, just to go ahead and clean up any of the little hairs that my trimmers didn't fully get rid of. And also you guys could see that I did style his hair. I thought I recorded it, but I guess I didn't. But when you guys are straight razoring the hairline, you guys want to make sure you guys are stretching the skin and having the straight razor like in a 45-degree angle, going straight up and down and not side to side. But that is pretty much the cut, you guys. This is how he came in. He was like, "Let me get $1, man." Nah, I'm just playing, but he did need a haircut. He just looked like he needed help. That's it. Let me know what you guys think of this transformation. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But that's it for this video, you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.